the Soundcore Motion Boom. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a portable outdoor speaker by Soundcore, the Motion Boom. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide and the USB-C charging cable. The Motion Boom features 24 hours of listening time, and it takes 4 hours to fully charge with its 10,000 mAh battery. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, 30-watt titanium drivers, button controls, has a bass boost feature, and also app integration with custom EQ settings. USB-C and a USB-A charge out feature, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The speaker has a portable small design with a convenient carrying handle. It has a plastic body all around with a metal grille on the front, and you can see the Soundcore branding. The bottom has a rubber padding to provide stability, and you can also see the woofers on the side. On the top you'll find the following controls: the bass up button, Bluetooth pairing, multifunction and volume button, the power, and the TWS button for pairing additional Motion Boom speakers. The back has a USB-A charge out port if you want to charge additional devices, and the USB-C charging port. The speaker comes in at about 11.5 inches by 4 by 7 inches. It weighs in at 1,545 grams. As mentioned earlier, this has app integration, and you can download the Soundcore app. Once downloaded and paired, you have access to the EQ presets and also the ability to create custom settings. You can also toggle basic settings and update the firmware. And now for some audio samples.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are.
Here are my thoughts on the speaker. I was impressed by the overall sounds that it produced. There's an ample amount of bass, and if that's not enough for you, you can use the bass up feature to dial it up a notch. It doesn't overwhelm, and mids and highs come in clean and clear. Definitely a balanced sounding experience, and volume levels do get high. The app presets are great since you can choose depending on your listening experience or create your own EQ settings. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 24 hours, and I like the IPX7 waterproof rating. So this is suitable for taking along in the outdoors. So that is my review of the Soundcore Motion Boom Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.